Okay, so while I do some stuff, let's talk about spring sniper rifles. For my opinion, every marketplace is full of them. Why? Because everyone watches these sniper videos on YouTube, and then yeah, everyone thinks he can be Loveridge or Silo or whatever, and doesn't realize that a 15-minute video is probably 2 days of playing, and most of the time it's not the most social way of playing. Because if you can see a BB flying about a distance a sniper will shoot, and you can see them hitting a head, this probably means they were too close. Anyway, so if you like to try out the sniper thing, I would fully recommend you go for, yeah, some mid-price option like an upgraded Cymer from Taiwan Gun or wherever you get it. These are quite cheap, the power is decent, and the hop is okay, and you can just try it out without paying too much. Cause a sniper rifle will lose its value like, well, let's say it's losing its value quite fast. So if you need to use a sniper rifle, yeah, don't go for the cheapest ones. They are very crappy and tend to break very fast. But yeah, everything else will be fine. But why sniping not the best idea for starters? Well, in fact, most AGs shoot like 40 to 50 meters with decent energy and a decent hop. Some of them shoot a lot farther, like 70 meters sometimes. Depends on where you live and how much energy is allowed and stuff. But I'm talking about 1.5 to 2 joules, and this gives you a decent range. Like, yeah, maybe you shooting effectively 60 meters. And your sniper rifle will do this plus a little bit more with, yeah, let's say your sniper rifle's shooting 70 meters. But you're shooting with like, well, yeah, let's say you're shooting with an astonishingly low rate of fire. And you have to, if you're talking spring sniper rifles, you have to get off your scope, lose your target, and then you have to reload. If you have a decent energy, it can be quite hefty to reload. And yeah, sometimes single BBs will not be mentioned by the enemy, especially if they are not expecting to be shot at. So maybe you're lying around, you're shooting, you hit someone, he doesn't realize, you shoot like 5 times more, you miss him, he doesn't even realize someone ever shot him, and that's it. Not too much fun at all, and this will happen a lot. So if you want to snipe, you really have to want it. And I would not recommend you to do this if you're starting. Just don't. Get a decent AG, try playing a bit, And if you think you kind of need a little bit of a break from AEG running around, you can try sniping. Or if you're really old or you have some problem and you're not able to walk or whatever, and yeah, you want to play anyway and just want to have your little fun, yeah, okay, you're sniping, probably yours, but if there is, yeah, if you just saw a lot of videos about sniping guys online, just don't. Do it maybe after you have a little experience. Maybe just ask a friend who got a sniper rifle, try it out, realize it's quite shitty, and then stop it again. Anyway, if you're going to have a sniper rifle, please, please, please do not shoot people in the face. This is the most annoying thing. If you have these sniper guys shooting to the head all the time, and yeah, kind of hurting people, and that's it. There is no fun in it to run around and then it just yeah, gets your face, and that's nothing you want to experience. And I guess this is an indicator for you should not inflict this kind of pain to other people. Anyway, yeah, scenario games and stuff, it may be quite fun to have a sniper, but yeah, most of the time, just don't. It isn't as much fun as the videos suggest you. Alright, have a nice day.